5.0 Robotics CNC machine, we believe, are the best in class for multiple reasons. You really got to see it to feel it and believe it. The pictures do it justice to an extent, but when you put your hands on one of these machines and you feel the rigidity, you see the amount of detail gone into its construction and assembly, that for itself alone speaks for best in class. But there's been no shortcuts taken either from a point of view of the componentry used. And with a team of experts globally working in this field for many, many years combined, they've pulled the best brand name parts together to build this machine as well, which further firms up its best in class for what it is, a small format CNC machine. So all the electronic components are off-the-shelf parts, but not only are they off-the-shelf parts, they're high-end, top quality, with brands that are known and renowned throughout the industry. Everything down to the little ferrules used, to the cable chain used, to the cable, the connectors, the spindle, the servos, the linear rails. Every little bit of detail has been reviewed, and every extent is best in class all the way through. I've no doubt from my years working in the field that the 5.0 Robotics CNC machine is the best in class.